Hi, Colin with Diode. Today in the garage we're going to be installing our new SS3 Fog Light Kit on this 2010 GMC Sierra. Let's get started. To start installation, we're going to be coming over to the driver's side of the vehicle. We're going to grab ourselves a pair of needle nose pliers. This is because we'll be removing 3 plastic push clips that hold the fog light onto the bumper. You may be able to do this by hand, but we're just going to go ahead and use the tool. Now that we're under the front bumper, our first step is going to be to remove the factory connector. Next, we can go ahead and take our needle nose pliers and remove these 3 plastic push clips. To do this, we're going to squeeze the clip all the way around with our needle nose pliers while using our finger to apply pressure to push them through. Now that those plastic push clips are pushed through, we can go ahead and remove the factory fog light housing out of the front of the bumper. Before we install our SS3s onto the truck, we're going to need to assemble our bracket onto the back of the SS3. To start, we're going to be removing these 3 plastic push clips and transferring them over to our bracket. To transfer these over, we're going to find the slot on the side, pull away, and then align them with the pins on the back of the bracket. Now we can go ahead and drop our supplied nuts into the back of either side of the SS3 with the nylon lock washer facing the inside. Now we can go ahead and take our supplied bolts and washers and slide them through the side of the bracket and into the SS3. It's important to note when doing this, tighten them down enough to where the SS3 will hold its place, but you can still adjust it. We're doing this because you won't be able to easily reach these bolts when the bracket's installed in the vehicle. Now we can go ahead and take our assembly and slide it through the front bumper, lining up these plastic push clips with their correlating holes. Now we can go ahead and plug our Diode connector into the back of the SS3. Then we can take our factory connector and plug it into our adapter. If it doesn't turn on, don't worry, just flip this 180 degrees and it should work just fine. Coming back to the front of the vehicle, we can go ahead and turn our SS3s on and make our final aiming adjustments. Once you're happy with where that light is aimed, we can go ahead and pull this out and tighten down our supplied hardware, pop it back in and plug it back in, and then repeat the same steps we used to install this side on the other side of the vehicle. As you can see with our SS3 Fog Light Kit installed, not only do we have a more clean, modern look, you also have a significant increase in light output over any factory fog option. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 Fog Light Kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.